Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the essentials so the phone can report position accurately. First, check battery and network. If the battery is low, plug in to avoid interruptions. Open Settings, find Location or GPS and turn it on. Choose High Accuracy to combine GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell data. Then, make sure the specific app you'll use has location permission. Allow while using the app or always depending on needs. Once done, you're ready to open the mapping or tracking app and proceed to get coordinates. You now acquire the actual GPS reading and verify its quality. Open your map or GPS diagnostic app and let it center on your location. Tap the blue dot or the location pin to reveal latitude and longitude values and an accuracy radius in meters. If accuracy is poor, move outdoors with a clear sky view and wait for the device to lock satellites. You can also toggle airplane mode briefly to reset radio connections. Once coordinates read stable and accuracy is acceptable, copy or share them as needed. You finish by sharing or saving the verified location and handling common problems. Use the app's share or copy function to send coordinates to contacts or paste into a tracking service. Include the accuracy reading and timestamp in your message. If you need a record, take a screenshot. If the phone won't get a fix, toggle location off and on, restart the device, remove any metal or thick cases, and retry outdoors. These steps resolve most GPS hardware or signal conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.